Hi Starseeds, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making okra, okay? We're going to be making an okra dish. This is actually my mom's recipe. It's a very, very easy recipe. That's why I really want to show you guys how to make it. And it's also pretty delicious, I think. So before we get into the kitchen, but guess what? We are already here, never mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe because you know that we are here every single week giving you amazing plant-based recipes. So let's do this. So we're starting with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I've just chopped up some onions here. This is 1 onion and I'm just gonna dump it in. So we're just gonna give it a nice stir. And then we are going to cook the onions for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are translucent. So it's good to know that when you're cooking with okra, you don't want to wash them. I know it sounds gross, but it's sort of like what you do with mushrooms is that you don't actually wash the mushrooms, but you wipe them with a clean towel or something. Because what happens is they get really soggy. So just make sure you just wipe them off with a paper towel and don't wash them. So I'm actually going to be having this all by myself tonight. It's 600 grams of okra and I'm really happy about it. Greg actually really hates okra, so this is going to be all for me tonight. So it's been 5 minutes and you can see how our onions are nice and translucent. And now we're going to go ahead and add in 2 chopped carrots. I'm going to add that in along with a tablespoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is a very simple recipe. Not a lot of spices going on here and not a lot of ingredients. So what we're gonna do now is just mix it all up. And we're just gonna cook this for another 5 minutes. So it's been another 5 minutes and now we are going to place in our okra. This is 600 grams of okra. And yes, I will be eating this all to myself this evening. By the way, before you add in your okra, you must cut the stems off. You see? No stems. So make sure you cut them off before you cook them. So right now I'm just mixing everything together. And finally, we are going to add in 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. Just gonna give that another good mix. So you just wanna give this another good mix, and then the final step to this super easy recipe is adding in 2 cups of water. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So now we're just gonna go ahead and add in the 2 cups of water and put the lid on. I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and I'm now going to remove the lid and let the water cook off a bit because as you can see, there's just a little bit of water left. So we just want to cook that off for 2 or 3 minutes. And I like my okra salty, so I'm just gonna add in a little bit more sea salt. No, initially I said to add in a tablespoon of salt, but I actually added in a tablespoon and 1/2 of salt because when you add in the water and the tomato sauce, it really makes it bland. So you really need to salt it up. Let's have a bite. It's smoking right now. Okay, I personally love okras. A lot of people don't because it can have a slimy texture, but I don't mind it at all. And I think this is a very easy stew that you can make for you and your family. If you're really stressed for time, this cooks within 20 minutes and is super easy. And I really like having this with rice. This is actually a traditional meal here in Cyprus. So we often serve it with rice and it's healthy and delicious, high in vitamin K and vitamin C and vitamin A. So enjoy. So if you guys try out this easy recipe, do leave a comment down below. And actually, even if you don't try it, leave a comment down below because I really love getting to know you guys. And actually, I've made so many friends since I started this YouTube channel from all around the world. So that really means a lot to me. Also, please do subscribe because you know that we are so dedicated to providing you with plant-based recipes every single week. And we've been doing so for the last about 5 years. Don't forget to smash that like button. And the reason why I'd like for you guys to hit that like button is because it really helps us with the channel. Like, people view our videos a lot more. And so yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it for your family and your friends. It's super easy and delicious. And we'll catch you guys very soon. Mwah.